Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect Shopify to Brevo. So, all you have to do is head over to your Shopify admin page at admin.shopify.com, and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Then, in the new tab, just head over to apps.shopify.com, and in the search bar, search for Brevo. Then press enter. Next, from the list of apps, just click on Push Owl or Brevo and click on Install. Just grant access permissions by clicking on Install. So we're going to start here on setting up our account. Just click on Get Started. You can proceed by selecting channels you want to use or skip this part. You will then be offered the Plus bundle that costs $19 a month, but you can start your free trial. And for you to be able to proceed, you will undergo approve subscription. And all you have to do is add in a payment method, whether it's a credit or debit card or through PayPal. Just a reminder that this will cost you $19 after your 14 days free trial. And this will be charged to you every 30 days. So once the transaction is successfully completed, you will now be able to enjoy Brevo and connect it on your Shopify account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!